Honestly, guys, fuck it. Here's how I make over $10,000 every single month online making Fortnite Maps, so you guys can literally just replicate me at the palm of your fingertips and achieve the same success. This video is going to be completely raw and unedited, so bear with me if I stutter. Let's get right into it. Okay, guys, so this is exactly how I'm making over thousands of dollars every single month. This is a full transparent video. This is exactly what I do, so you guys can literally just replicate me, okay? Fully unedited, fully raw, this is what I do. Usually I go into Fortnite GG and I see a game that I enjoy and I like. Just like this game here that has 4,800 players and it's made a grand total of $250,000 within literally just a span of 30 days, okay? And obviously we know that Fortnite's paying out $352 million a year to the top people inside of the space, which is amongst me, myself, and the peers and the people that are watching this content. And I get hundreds and hundreds of messages every single day asking me how do I actually get started. And this is exactly what you guys need to do. Okay, so go ahead and follow along with me. Search up Epic Games Launcher, okay? It is completely free, and yes, you do have to be 18 years of age to successfully get started making Fortnite Maps. But of course, you can use your parental guardian information if you choose. But I want you guys to go ahead and press install on Windows, and you guys will download the Epic Games Store, which I have exactly right here. When you guys are loaded up the Epic Games Launcher, you guys will download UEFN, which is the search store button right here. You guys will search up Unreal Editor for Fortnite, which is exactly right here, which is completely free. It's crazy how much money online you guys can actually make, which is why I have a Discord, little plug, which is in the link in the description, with people who are multi-millionaires like myself making Fortnite Maps, so you guys can connect with us and have us help you and coach you and mentor you. Because I didn't know a damn thing. I didn't know what the hell I was doing 2 years ago when I was struggling, trying to learn how to get started making Fortnite Maps, which is exactly what I'm showing you right now. So what we're going to do is load up the Unreal Editor for Fortnite exactly together. I'm loaded in Fortnite. If my computer cuts out, that's okay. I have an amazing expensive computer, but sometimes it cuts out when I'm doing too many functions all at once. So what I want to talk to you guys about while we're loading in Fortnite is the possibilities with Versify. Okay, Versify is an AI software company that I founded and started with my partner, which allows you to build games out of thin air, build the necessary resources and code and 3D models and assets to actually get your games off the ground and actually have profitability and achieve your dreams making Fortnite Maps. Who wouldn't want that? You know, that's exactly what I want. That's exactly what I'm doing. That's what I'm doing for other people inside of the space, like yourself watching this video. So what we're going to do is load into UEFN right now and show you guys how to actually get started and the core functionalities so you guys can learn the basics and achieve success and make more money online. So right now we are loaded inside of UEFN. This is a blank canvas surface to actually get started. What I want you guys to do is head on into the XL grid island for me. This is exactly pretty much what this is this is the building blueprint to get started. Okay, this is a plain surface where I can coach you and show you the basics of everything you need to know, all of the glory. Okay, so if I stutter, bear with me. There's a lot of stuff to cover. Strap your seatbelts, get buckled up. This is going to be amazing and helpful for you because it's so baffling. Isn't it crazy, guys, how much money online you guys can make? I'm making hundreds and thousands of dollars. Like last year, we did like 6-7 figures in revenue, like amongst like all of you guys combined together. Like, it's seriously awesome. I was just in my OBS and Discord there. I don't understand why. I guess I opened up too many tabs. But, guys, to get started, move WASD inside of the Unreal Editor, okay? So if you guys want verse code tutorials, obviously you can get Versify, but I will teach you verse code right now, okay? So verse code is the programming language that Fortnite runs off of. So it's distinctive from others, and it cannot be really replicated because verse is its own programming language that was built for Unreal Engine and Unreal Engine for Fortnite. So what I want you guys to do is head on into the content drawer at the bottom left here. This is where we can actually access everything of what Fortnite has in store. We go ahead and press the Fortnite folder. Now we have a whole bunch of folders with assets and meshes and buildings and characters and code and skins to help you guys get educated and started, which there is actually tutorials, millions of tutorials for free that you guys can actually watch in the link in the description. So to get started, we're going to drag out, we can literally search up whatever we want. We're going to search up Agency Wall from Chapter 2, Season 1. I believe that's what the season was. Here we have it. So here we have a nice little wall here. Essentially what this is, guys, we obviously know what a wall is, okay? I'm just teaching you guys the bare basics. And if you guys actually would want to stretch out the wall, there's toggles right here called scale, rotation, and location. Pretty much this is the location of the island. So if I move it, where to go? See? It's all over here now. If I change the title again, change it to 124, bam, now it's over here. See how it's teleporting on me? It's like Juice WRLD, bro. It's like Juice WRLD. That made no sense at all. But this is pretty much the core principles of making a game. So you guys can resize stuff, you can rotate stuff, you can rotate it. You guys can even go into the modeling tab over here, and you can drag out a spear and start off with a very, very surface structure and start rotating and playing with everything as you please. It's very, very cool, the possibilities of what's actually capable inside of UEFN. It's very, very fascinating, which is why I'm going to show you how to build your first game right now and get rich online with me here today. All right, so the first thing that we're going to do is head on into Versify, my software that's completely free. You guys can just hit me up in my Discord if you guys want a free trial before you purchase to get started. But don't worry, guys, when you're following this tutorial, obviously I have pre-made games that you guys can literally just replicate and emulate in my Discord, which is literally $5 for 100 games in my Discord to make you guys thousands of dollars a month. Okay, so we're going to load up my projects here. We're going to load up my UEFN projects. Let's go, let's go, let's go. All right, here we go. I'm loading in the projects that we are working on that I'm going to show you guys exactly how to build right now, because I understand it's super complex. Sometimes I'm yapping, sometimes I'm talking, yik-yakking, yin and yang. I understand. How could a guy talk so fast and be so educated and smart and make so much money? Trust me, it's the truth, okay? I'm here to change your life. I'm here to make this the biggest business of all time. I will have a game with Drake next year. I promise you. By the end of the year, this will be the biggest damn business in the entire world. Mark my words. I promise you, okay? There's only 40,000 people. There will stay and only be 40,000 people unless I take initiative, take the first step, take the leap of faith. Shout out to Miles Morales in the first Into the Spider-Verse movie when he jumps off the building, takes the first leap of faith and becomes Spider-Man. Sorry for yapping, but that's exactly what we need to do. In all of our lives, we need to be taking steps like that. We need to be taking aspirations and our first leaps of faiths where we're uncertain with what's going to happen. We do. We all need that. We do. Like this game that I'm working on, fully custom built by myself and Yuri truly. This is a full in-depth game. This is what you guys need to be building, okay? And I'm going to show you guys exactly how. This is what's going to change your guys' life and make you guys fully successful and rich online making Fortnite maps, okay? It is. So, starting off, we have music, we have items, we have heals. If you guys would like to purchase a custom game like this, obviously you can hit me up down below in the description. Sorry for the yapping, guys, but I hope it makes you laugh because you guys need to have entertaining times in your life. You do, okay? There's me recording my video. I don't know if you saw it. Let's go back onto Fortnite GG and show you guys my own custom revenue that I have generated for myself making Fortnite maps, okay? Let's go show you guys exactly how much money I am making online making Fortnite maps. 3, 2, 1. All right, here we go. So I don't know if you guys can see my screen, but this is exactly how much we've made in a grand total, $239,000. Obviously, this is a page that I am not going to be sharing, okay? I'm not going to be sharing this page at all. This is fully private with me and the distributor and the company and the brand associated, okay? And the reason why is because a lot of people like to have their information private. If you guys want to go to my own page, obviously that's only made like 40 grand, okay? 40 grand. Got it? Cool. Because I'm making way more money making games for other people than doing it for myself, because it was never the plan to have myself make games. I don't care about the money. I care way more about making money, motivating and inspiring millions of people. Impact is number one in my life, okay? Nothing less. Impact is worth way more than every diamond, nickel, every contract, any $1 billion, any whatever that I'd ever make in my life. Inspiring and motivating people is number one for me, okay? So in terms of all of the money that I've generated, it's at least $5 million, okay? From every single person that I've impacted inside of the space, collectively, it's at least $3 to $5 million. I can assure you and promise you that. But take home personal profit myself is in the few hundred thousands, okay? But it's going to be millions. We're selling Versify. We're doing it. We're going to get rich together, guys. I promise you. I'm already rich, okay? But I want you guys to be rich as well. You guys are going to make it. I promise you, you're going to make it, okay? So I seriously cannot thank you guys enough for watching this content and video. If you guys would like to see more content like this, click the link in the description and join the Discord. Leave a like on the video. Businesses and sponsorship, reach out down below. You guys can click the last video on the screen in front of your faces. It's been your boy, Davey Davis. I seriously fucking love you guys, man. We're going to get rich together, I promise you, okay? 999, never give up on your dreams. I love you guys. Peace out. I'll see you guys soon. Mwah. This is how I make over tens of thousands of dollars every single month, and here's how you guys can replicate the same success. I hope this helped you. Peace out. I love you. Bye.